To convert your Python file to an executable, you have to follow these steps. So you can see here I have the code for a to-do list GUI application in Python. You can see if I execute the code, this is the application. So now I will open my command line, and you have to go where your script is located. Then you have to install this package PyInstaller. Just type pip install PyInstaller. For me, I have already installed this package. So now I have just to run this command PyInstaller one file windowed, and the icon I will use for my application, and the name of the script. So you can see that after some time you have this dist folder where your application, your executable application is located. I will create a shortcut and pin it to my taskbar so I can run it from here. You can see that it's working. I can add some tasks, remove and sort them, and choose random. There is some options in this simple application. I can save these tasks. So this tasks.txt, it's the database that contain the tasks I have just added.